Hence, the star centers and lifestyle points in Kuantan were introduced. And now, this is the lifestyle station, will be the combinations of the lifestyle concept. This showroom will serve as a meeting point and flag-off point for any future convoy rider and promote all Yamaha lifestyle events to our customers, particularly the new and young generation. And coming soon, the very first Yamaha motorcycle museum featuring the evolutions of Malaysian motorcycle industry in the past 40 years.
And the events, activities, and our recreational lifestyle direction that we are pursuing. So this is also our showcase of HRYX and YFC's history throughout these 40 years.
Or maybe, Google company.
The center has been completed. So our showroom has completed. Last time, if you have noticed, the showroom is in this area, the museum. Even more displays than the one inside now. And we also have an auditorium where we can carry out a wide range of activities. So anyone want to hold kenduri, majlis perkahwinan, we have special discount for all of you.
Good afternoon, all beloved media. Okay, first and foremost, I think there's a lot of news circulating around that, hey, Yamaha forgot all about us, man, last Friday. Let me clarify, please, let me clarify. Because last Friday, too many people, you all cannot take pictures, you all cannot take the information that is required. So that's why today, we made a special day just for all our medias. All our senior management team are all here to entertain, serve, and also to communicate with all of you. This is all from Holland Yamaha Moto. So today, this day is specially dedicated to all our medias, yeah? Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to bring you point by point before we go in. There's a slide presentation here. This particular place entrance that you came on here is actually our corporate entrance. So it's located near our office. For example, let's say we have any corporate guests, we can also bring them through the showroom through this entrance. So in this corporate entrance, we also have this corporate social responsibility board on your left. So the CSR board. Here we display all our CSR initiatives. Past. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hongyong Yamaha Moto's lifestyle station. Okay, first and only. So on your right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, moving on, this next platform here, on your left, this platform. So this platform not only displays our newest models. Tell me about this cafe.
You can browse the menu on the screen, i-Moto. You must find a special like super teriyaki and aromatic coffee or tea. We have a variety of menu choices. For example, Nair Supermarket, spaghetti bolognese, breakfast and pizza. Soon, I will be able to collect payment through credit card and wallet.
Our new staff here, she'll be capable of taking orders and also payment, processing payment next time. So the robot will actually go to the individual tables, take the order, and can pay via credit card or even G-Wallet. Okay, so we're still developing this function for her. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, as your focus is already here, I'd like to bring the focus to up slightly to this our very own Gen Blue Cafe. So I think we are one of the first to actually witness the opening of this Gen Blue Cafe, our very own developed Gen Blue Cafe. So later we will also be tasting some of the menus that we have here, mainly a mixture of local and fusion menu with our aromatic coffee prepared on a daily basis. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, moving along. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you already know, in 2016, we we had this collaboration in front of you with Yamaha. So today we have a band performance here from Suwaini and band. We are the 2019 Rap Star winners. Please give them a hand of applause. They came all the way just to entertain all of you. Yes. So under this project, we also display here all the instruments. Okay. So moving forward, ladies and gentlemen. So the next display we have here on your left, want to display to all of the products under the Yamaha. For instance, side-by-side vehicle, i-MotoTV. Buat tolong panggil kita boleh settle.